Salve omnes, welcome to this video lesson on Colloquium Duodecimum, and we're picking up on the third and, I believe, final page of the story here. In pictura est medus, militim curat, miles est in via, miles dolet. Okay, the soldier is hurt, he's on the road, Medus is taking care of him. Vox Medi a milite non auditur. The voice of Medus is not heard by the soldier. Notice auditur has that passive ending, thus is heard, and the noun makes it negative. Medi, as we've seen before in this story, genitive case, the voice of Medus or Medus's voice. Mile se non movet. The soldier literally does not move himself, but we would just say does not move. Nec medus eum spirare audit, nor does Medus hear him breathing. Ergo medus militim mortuum esse putat. Therefore, Medus thinks, putat, that the soldier is dead. Now, militim mortuum esse literally means the soldier to be dead. He thinks the soldier to be dead, but we would more normally do that with a that clause, so therefore he thinks that the soldier is dead. Said ecce, but look, miles oculos apparet. The soldier opens up his eyes. Et parvo voce dicit, and with a small voice he says, that is to say with a weak or tenuous voice, aquam, water. Okay, so he wants water. Medus qui militim vivere gaudet. Medus, who is happy that the soldier is alive. Literally, this means he's happy the soldier to live, but again, we say that with a that clause typically in English. He's happy that the soldier is alive. Ex parvo rivo aqua marcessit, et milite dat. He fetches or gets, arcessit, water from a small stream, ex parvo rivo, and he gives it to the soldier. Now notice that militi is dative. You give, show, or tell something to somebody in the dative case. Remember that the name of the dative case comes from this verb dot, which means gives, because it's typically used again with give, show, tell verbs. It's the giving to case. All right, so he gives it militi dative to the soldier. Miles laetus, the soldier happy, e manu medi bibit, drinks from Medus's hand, et aquam bonum esse dicit. He says, the water is good. Literally, it's the water to be good, but again, we would say that the water is good. And here is the direct quotation of what Miles says. Aqua bona est, the water is good. Iam necesse non est me sostenere, amice. Now it's not necessary to hold me up, friend. And then Medus says, dolet ne caput, is your head hurt? And then the Miles, the soldier, says, non male dolet, it doesn't hurt bad, or badly, literally, right? Male is an adverb. Then Medus says, vene Romam ad medicum, come to Rome, to a doctor. And the soldier says, id necesse non est, that's not necessary. Sed necesse est, but it is necessary, me Tusculum ire, for me to go to Tusculum. Illicanem dux exercitus in castris me expectat. For there, the general or leader of the army, dux exercitus, is waiting for me in the camp. Now remember, castris looks plural, but that word castra, that means military camp, is always plural in Latin, but we translate it singular as camp. Medus says, Romae me expectat amica mea. At Rome, my girlfriend's waiting on me. Okay, so the general's waiting for the soldier in Tusculum, and girlfriend's waiting for Medus in Rome. And then the Miles, the soldier, says, id me delectat. That pleases me, that delights me. Me quoque puella Romana amat, et Roma mocat. A Roman girl loves me too, and is calling me, or maybe inviting me to Rome. Sed iam dux me vocat in castra, but already my general, my dux, is calling me back to camp. Bonus miles, a good soldier, duci suo paret, obeys his general. Now, paret, obeys, is the opposite of imperat or ubet, verbs for order. And paret, just like imperat, will take a dative for the person that you obey. So duci suo, notice, is in the dative. So you could say something like, is a good soldier is obedient to his general if you want to note that, but it's fine to just say obeys his general. Ut bonus servus domino suo, as a good slave, you can understand, obeys his master. Ergo vale bone serve, ac bene ambula, therefore goodbye, good slave, and walk well. In other words, have a good walk. Medus ridet, Medus smiles or perhaps laughs, et respondet, and he answers, vale bone miles, goodbye, good soldier. Miles qui ducum exercitus temet, the soldier who is afraid of or who fears the general of his army, medum relinquit, leaves Medus behind. Et Tusculum ad exercitum ambulat, and he walks to Tusculum to the army. So apparently the army camp is just encamped just outside of the town of Tusculum. And this could be the case. They were certainly not allowed, armies weren't allowed in Rome itself unless maybe a special festival like a triumph for a triumphal general. But a lot of times armies could encamp outside of Roman cities. Miles duci suo paret, the soldier obeys his general. Medus qui Romam ambulat, Medus who is walking to Rome. Ad amicum suum, to his girlfriend. Militem stultum esse putat, thinks that the soldier, militem, is stupid. Now literally, militem stultum esse, the soldier to be stupid, but again in English we would say thinks that the soldier is stupid. Medus, domino suo, non paret. Medus is not obeying his master. So I think in the context here, the reason why Medus thinks the soldier is stupid is probably related to either the fact that he thinks Medus is still a slave and Medus doesn't consider himself to be that anymore, or maybe the fact that Medus is kind of an independent person and he's like, I'm getting rid of my master, and that stupid soldier is still going to his master, his dukes, his general. All right, well, I hope you learned a few things in this video lesson as we finish up Colloquium duodecimum. Valete ad proximum tempus. Goodbye till next time.